What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction update. It's been a little while. I was not able to make it here Monday or Tuesday because, well, I was doing climbing certification. So your boy is now high rides and rescue certified again for another 2 years and 3 months. Woo! But that means major progress should have happened here with Pipeline. And as I was driving in, yeah, there's a bunch. The high-speed turns are getting a lot of work. They've installed probably about 12 pieces of track just in the last 2 days. Parking and security was a breeze. Nobody up here at the ticket windows. And at the turnstiles, no wait, we'll be right in. As far as Pipeline, looking really good over here. I can see the turn leading up over there. And we got guys right here working on the launch, doing some electrical work. And a guy over on a lift over there near the turnaround. From what I can see, it looks like they are torque striping the bolts. Yep, like usual, no way to get through, and we are on our way. December 7th, and it's 80 degrees. Oh gosh, feels like summer, but morning time's cool. A little bit of fog and dew and whatnot, somewhere in the low 60s. Park is not busy whatsoever today. Split point, and we can see Sky Tower is running, so we're heading that direction instead of going over to the bridge. We'll get there just a little bit later. Well, this is new, even though it has been here in previous seasons. This looks like a brand new model, but it's a photo opportunity spot. You go inside the giant snow globe and take a photo. Sky Tower, that's where we are headed. Unfortunately, still no fountain. Amazing. Yeah. And here we can see an awesome view of all that new track that's been added in the last couple days. So the high-speed turns are just about done. Stationary has a bunch of new work. Launch track also has some guys working right there, and the turnaround looking really good.
Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see for miles and miles. As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for a lush, tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld.
Oh yeah, there's a whale down there. When's the orca show, guys? Are they open today? Mommy, where is the orca?
Mako, currently showing a 5-minute wait, is running one train. Not terrible. Infinity Falls, and it's currently not in operation. In fact, there's no water in the trough even. It says it's down for annual maintenance. Hopefully it won't be down too long. Yep, that's right. Work walls are still up around the former ice cream shop. Nothing that I can see has changed. Unfortunately, there is no Christmas celebration today, so that means no ice skating over at Bayside Stadium, and that means no really up-close views of Pipeline. It's all right, we'll get it Friday when they do have the ice skating. Icebreaker currently showing a 5-minute wait. Not bad.
We can all go.
Hooray! It's finally bridge time. We're gonna get some awesome views.
Merry Christmas.
So what do you guys think? Pipeline looking pretty good? Well, I think so. Crews have added well over 12 segments of track, looking closer to maybe 15 in the last 3 days. So right now, they're stopped right about here, so they have to go over to this little airtime hill, a couple more turns, and then we're done. So I'm thinking right now we're closer to 75–80% of the track layout is done. I'm thinking by the end of the month, the layout will be complete. There's been a lot of work on the launch area, electrical wise, and the station is getting a ton of work also. Last week, crews covered it, and now they look like they're working on the ops booth, or the panel. Over here, where the crane is, well, they were done with work early today, sometime around 2 o'clock. I do see 2 segments of track on the ground at least, and those are gonna go up tomorrow. Construction ducks, yeah. Like usual, great views of Pipeline from the bridge, but I know of a better spot that we can get views. The drone. Let's do that now. Per usual, amazing views from the drone of the construction site. But now I'm ready for my pink chickens. There they are. Check it out. There is Sprinkles and Sunday, the baby pink chickens. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Pipeline the Surf Coaster. Amazing progress as crews have placed almost 15 pieces of track in the last 3 days. They're about almost 75–80% done, and it does not appear they're going to be letting up anytime soon. Again, thinking that the layout might be done by the end of the month. We'll let you know, of course, if that does happen. We'll have plenty more updates, so if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Midway Mayhem. We'll see you out on the Midway, guys. Bye.